Yeah, what's good? Young Heck right now, right here. Shout out to New World Productions. Go like their page. I'm freestyling. If you guys like this video, go share it. Go share it to people's pages. Do whatever you gotta do. If you like this video, trying to make it into the industry of music. Everybody's doing the same thing. You know how we do it, man. Work hard, we play hard. Oh yeah, forgot. I got studio section. I'm booked right after the holidays. Yep, making music, doing what I gotta do. Oh yeah, new mixtape coming soon too. For freestyle. Yo, sometimes I struggle. I want that one girl to snuggle. She loves when I have a thought for mine. She wants to be with me all the time. We always shine. She dresses mad fine. Baby girl, her dream was to get signed. We sitting at the table drinking so much wine. I'm taking her to all my shows. She tells me she loves my flow. She explains her pain. I'm here to entertain. I kiss her soft lips, buying so much gifts.